from the world's capital markets. Here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by CMS Prime.
Good morning and thank you for joining us. Let's start today's technical analysis with the pound-dollar pair and the recent events stirring the markets. Emily?
The pound-dollar price remained largely unchanged in the last session. The MACD is giving a negative signal. The Bitcoin-dollar pair dove 3.1% in the last session. The ultimate oscillator is giving a negative signal. The Aussie dollar price remained largely unchanged in the last session. The ROC is giving a positive signal. The dollar-yen price remained largely unchanged in the last session. The MACD is giving a negative signal.
Coming up, today's major financial news.
Ripple Labs closed its acquisition of Standard Custody, a digital asset custodian, on June the 11th. The deal, first announced earlier this year, is central to Ripple's planned rollout of a United States dollar stablecoin and broader goals of real-world asset tokenization. General Motors cut its annual EV production forecast and announced a new $6 billion share buyback plan as the automaker banks on demand from its gasoline-powered models. GM now projects the higher end of its 2024 EV production to be 250,000 units. Oil prices edged higher as the US EIA raised its world oil demand growth forecast for the year, while OPEC stuck to its forecast for relatively strong growth in 2024.
Thank you. And now moving on to our chief analyst pick of today's main economic events.
Germany's harmonised index of consumer prices will be released at 6 GMT, the UK's industrial production at 6 GMT, Japan's BSI Large Manufacturing Conditions Index at 2350 GMT. Japan's foreign bond investment will be released at 2350 GMT, the US Fed interest rate decision at 18 GMT, the UK's gross domestic product at 6 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed today's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day.